Alright guys, welcome back to Game Word with Dylan. Drinking water. And today we're back with Deadbolt. I know about South Park Stick of Truth yesterday and The Wolf Among Us before that on the day before. And then last time I played Deadbolt I rage quit. Wonderful, right? This time I've brought in some custom levels. I'll start with Re-Death. Custom levels are player-made levels that you can get on Steam. Can't go wrong with a hammer. The music is beautiful in this game. Bring it, bitches. Bring it, bitch. Oh, look at that. That's a skeleton. Hey, skeleton. Oh, I got wrecked, huh? I hit the fucking melee guy and the guy with a gun. The zombie with a gun shoots me. That's how it goes, guys. Shit, I was moving over. Yeah, I don't want a hard level right now, okay? Slow to fun line, let's not snipe them out. Well, that was a fail. How do I restart? Oh, I cannot restart, yes. Supposed to hit him in the head, Dill. Like that. Shit. Fuck. You're also not supposed to fall off the edge. There we go. That was the fun I wanted. Heck yeah. I wish that gave us souls. These are the ones I downloaded just before I started recording. Is anyone out there in the shadow of death? Collect the elevator key card, then make him pay. He is a dog. What the hell? Stairs up, stairs down. What? What? There's crows and what? Two guys there, a bouncer there. He has a key card. There's a vampire who's he was dancing sexually for a fucking zombie who's sitting on the can. Oh, where's his body? Oh, fuck. There's a head. Where's the body? Game, don't fuck with me. If I do that, I'm gonna... Ah! There's a knife, I love it. I knew that was gonna happen too. Time to go blow that guy up again. Make it 6 days for me, baby. Oh, son of a fuck! Where the hell did that guy come from? I don't understand, game. I don't understand. Get up! Stop crying. No! No! Where'd the dog come from? Too many. I'm running away. Oh, you're not on the toilet. Oh, that's... Ah! Come on, just kill it! Fuck this. fuck this shit, I'm out. Bam. It's not a fucking door. My Jesus frickin' Christ. Hi there. My knife's stuck in that guy's face now. What the hell am I supposed to do about that? Lights. Lights. Camera. Action. It'd probably really help if I had a gun. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Holy fuck. Turn around. Turn around. Hi! You all see me. How you doing? Where's his body? I'm so confused. There's nowhere for me to go. Oh god. If I try to get him now. That's it. That's it. You're just gonna stand there. Is that what you're gonna do? Ah! No! God damn it. Look, I got a gun! Kill Puff. Why is Puff the default bad guy name? Come this way. Ciao. Read ahead of it, huh? That's where I dropped my M10. I forgot I dropped it over here. I just want to turn the light off. Beer. Oh, there's two of them! Damn it, I didn't want to die. Okay, I've spent too long on this one mission. Let's try the other one. The Shadow of Death. 3 a.m. The hour of death. Someone. Can I play? Did you freeze? You didn't freeze. So hello. Game. Hello. Let's try that again. 3 a.m. The hour of death. What the hell, game? Well, I guess not then. 3 a.m. The hour of death. Can I play? Am I not allowed to? Hello? Don't you just love it when this happens? Hey, Ash! Extremely addictive, extremely flammable. Drug lords. Rise and fall. Make sure this one doesn't get back up. Can I move now? Still can't. What the hell, Gabe? Oh, now I can move. Look at that shit. I'm gonna get the blunderbuss. Good one-shot weapon here. Oh, there's another one! Son of a fuck. Fuck! It's really bright in here. What is this? The revolver. Oh, there's a lever. Stupid son of a... Oh, like this. So I'm always having a vampire dancing sexy. What was that? Throwing stars. Are you kidding me? I love that. Oh wow, these traps are doing all the work for me. Oh, dude, that's a little uncalled for. Ah! I was trying to go in the bed, not pick up the shotgun. God damn. Yeah, fuck this. That trap is gonna give me a weapon. Son of a bitch! No game. Shut up, Chris. I love it. But it needs a phylactery, which is right the hell there. I can do that. Perfect. What the hell is that thing? What was that? Of course, something bad happened. Why don't you blow up, huh? Just fuck it. He dropped a fucking mine. That's what the fuck that was. Son of a bastard. Your current strategy isn't working. Try something else. Fuck you too, game. I'm trying so hard here. Alright. Bat monster. See what that does for me. I love it. I love it. I fucking love it. All that's left is for me to die to another fucking trap. Ah, screaming. Okay guys, that's it for me. I'm about to I failed so hard that I have to stop. So this has been Dylan Game Ward, and this is Deadbolt. If you guys want to try this on Steam, it's like 10 bucks. The custom levels are pretty good. Sometimes that headshot one is fucking fun as hell, but this one is hard as fuck, guys. So, again, this is Dylan Game Ward, and I'll see you in the next episode.